Knowing enlightenment. Overcome the delusion power of nature.
How to overcome the delusive power of nature. The mind is made up of three modes of nature, namely mode of goodness, mode of passion and ignorance. It can be overcome by watching it and not getting involved in it. When you watch your mind dissolves. You dissolve just like salt dissolves in water. You just have to watch and you will touch the Supreme Self this very moment if you try. Again, the mind may get bored when you do this. As a mind's very nature is to move, it avoids being stable. Still, the very nature of self is stable. And yet, the self is very dynamic.